Hi there, my name is Taylor Sweeten, and this is my presentation for my information-rich website redesign project. So before I show you my website, this is the home page, but I want to go back and talk a little bit about some goals that I had in redesigning the original website, which is shown here. Some things that I noticed that I wanted to change was the overall professional look of the website. As I clicked around this website, I found it really hard to find information, so I wanted to improve on that, have an easy navigation for users to find information easier. I also found that there was a lack of consistency in style and branding, and I wanted to fix that in my version of the website. And also typography is something that I wanted to focus on, because as I scrolled through here, there's all sorts of different fonts and typefaces and sizes, and the hierarchy seems to be off. So those are some things that I wanted to focus on. Throughout the process of designing my website, I did some user testing. First of all, with some original digital mock-ups. And the feedback that I received was that it just wasn't quite professional enough. I kind of went for more of an icon look, which didn't portray a professional look that I was hoping for. So actually, at the stage of digital mock-ups, I went back and did some more research on city and county websites, and I found that what helped make the website look more professional was nice images. And so that's the direction I chose to go, and so that user testing really helped me to kind of guide how I could make my website more professional. So I'll give you a quick tour of the website. This is the home page with the search bar here. We've got a navigation bar at the top. These are the 3 links that fulfill the project requirements to help the user find a voting precinct, information for a written driver's test, and a photo gallery of the history of the county. I also included some of the information that was on the original website, as well as this navigation bar is consistent throughout the whole website. It has some quick links, the address of the courthouse, a contact email, and some social media links there. So the pages that I chose to redesign was a residence page, and it acts as kind of like a hub for links that can lead to different pages on the website to help the user kind of be a one-stop shop for any questions that they have or things that they're looking for. So I did design a voting page, which you can find your voting precinct by entering your address and pressing submit. And you can also get to this page by this link down here to find your precinct, as well as right here. I also designed the written driver's test page with the information on where you can take it and what hours the office is open, as well as information on who to contact. So I did that, and then I have an Our History page, which contains the written history, which was included on the original website, as well as the photo gallery, and you can get to that down here as well. And then I also had a directory page, which I didn't go further on the design than this, but the idea was these 2 buttons would lead you to 2 different lists. So depending on whether you knew the person you were looking for, or if you were looking for a service, you would be able to find that here. And the only other page that I didn't show you was just this jobs page that has a job listing here with an Apply Now button. And also on every page, this logo acts as a link to the home page. And so that's my website.